Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to make your PC perform in the best possible way by changing your power plans. Well, as you can see, I'm going to the power option. How to go there? I'm saying you here. Just press on Windows and press on settings. You can see a gear like option would come here. Just click on settings, and here you can see there is in the left side there will be a lot of options coming up, and you just have to click on system, and in system you can see there's something called power and battery. Just click here. So as you can see in most of the system, you can see there is something called power mode. So in most of the system this balance thing will be available. That is, the power option will be balanced, neither too high power consumption nor too low, or not too less power consumption. That is called power efficiency. As you can see, it lies in the midway between best power efficiency and best performance. So you can change here. If at all you are a gamer or some kind of video editor and you feel that the best performance of the laptop is not coming here, then probably you can change that thing to best performance. For example, if in plugged in means you are already connected to the power by your charger. If it is that, then go for best performance. You can also choose on battery best performance, but I would not recommend to do so because it will take a lot of battery, because you only use battery when there's no power source. Yeah, mostly you use battery when there is no power source. So better you put it on balance mode, and at all other times you can go for best performance, that is in plugged in mode. So it will definitely enhance your performance of your laptop or PC or whatever application you are using. So here, that is it. I hope you learned something very useful, although very small thing, but very useful. And whenever you feel like I'm editing my videos here, I feel the export is not taking place in the best possible manner, or it's taking a lot of time, then I can definitely go here and set this in best performance. And whenever you feel that your battery, you need battery, there is a long power cut, or you are out of power for a very long time, then go for best power efficiency. It will adjust your laptop battery into that mode where all unnecessary background applications will automatically stop, and the battery will perform in its best efficient possible way. So friend, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to the channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos in future. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.